Alright, let's give our random number generator a test run. For anyone wondering, I'm using Python 3.8.2, so we'll need a max and then we'll need a min. And then we'll just say how many times it wants to generate a random number. Yeah, that looks about right. Oh no. Hey guys, it's your boy Wilpo, and today I'm gonna be doing an experiment to try and prove my ability to code on the fly. Basically, all I know is the package I'm gonna be using, a tiny bit of syntax, and the rest is just gonna be debugging in real time. So I got the idea from an experiment that was held in Hawthorne Electric in Illinois. So the company wanted to squeeze out more productivity out of their employees, and they were gonna do it by screwing around with the lighting conditions. What the researchers ended up finding out was, whether they increased or decreased the lighting, productivity increased in both, and it was concluded that the increase in productivity was attributed to the workers knowing that they were being observed. This phenomenon is now known as the Hawthorne effect. So today, I'm going to be writing a random number generator bot to play The Price is Right with me and my friends. For those of you who don't watch TV, The Price is Right is an American TV show where contestants try to guess the price of a product. The rules for today's game is that if you get the closest guess, you score 1 point. However, you forfeit the point if your guess goes over the price. If you guess the price on the cent, you get 3 points, and if everyone overguessed, the person who listed the product gets a point. Credits to Jello for the inspo. And since my friends will observe me while we play, hopefully my bot will actually work. I'll just start off with these parameters and we'll see how it goes. Hey guys, alright, let me introduce you to your new contestant, random number generator. Thank you for joining us tonight. We have your boy, Wilpo, our favorite demon slayer, Tanjiro,
yes.
our feisty diva, Swish Swish,
Hello.
and our guest star, Player 4.pi.
What is my purpose?
What's enable overlay?
Depends, what are you talking about?
The mobile voice overlay. I'll say no thanks. I don't know what that is.
That's alright. Your finger's working.
That's like the rule of thumb. Don't accept anything. Don't accept anything that you don't know what it is. That's why we have so many Nigerian princes.
Meanwhile, somewhere in Nigeria, there's an actual lonely prince. Why won't anyone take my money?
He's like, I just want a friend.
Does everyone have products ready for today's game of The Price is Right?
No, I don't, but I'll...
Nope, I don't.
No. I'll look for them on the fly like I did last time. Let's hit up Facebook.
Yeah, I do that as well. I look at it at the same time.
That makes it funnier.
Because it's so impromptu.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. I will just be looking at everything on the fly.
What's on the fly?
Here is our first product, and I'll have you know that it gets 14 views every hour. This is our Danny DeVito body pillow. and for right now, there's a 10% discount on it too. The full name of this product is called the Danny DeVito Dakimakura.
Dakimakura.
How do you know that?
I speak Japanese. Of course I know what the Japanese word is for body pillow.
Oh, is that what it meant? I thought it was a Japanese name or some shit. Okay.
No. Makura is like the word for pillow, so obviously daki means like, I don't know, hentai or some shit. Anyway, Danny DeVito body pillow, let's go.
And I'll set the bot to a limit of $100.
Okay. Well, $70, that's my guess.
$70 for Danny DeVito's sexy body.
You don't know how much these people will pay for Danny DeVito's sexy.
Ew.
Earlier,
I'd rather have anime girl pillow.
See, like, this is when anime girl pillows are the normal option.
55.
The answer is $41, which means the robot one. So, because everyone overshot and overvalued the pillow.
Oh!
So the computer gets 1 point.
Nice. Okay, in the spirit of the Danny DeVito body pillow.
Oh god.
Behold!
What the fuck?
Jeff Goldblum face mask.
Who's that?
What?
Now Jeff Goldblum is a... Have you seen Thor Ragnarok? Hang on.
He wears robes, like the long.
Yeah,
I know.
that's the guy. The guy who
Yeah.
has like long gold robes. That's him.
Yeah, and he's in like other movies.
Yeah. Well,
I think that's what actors
They-
do. They show up in other movies.
no. This is the one and only movie that Jeff Goldblum has ever done.
Okay, I'm gonna say $5.
Okay. Personalized mask with PM 2.5 filter. Gloves included, optional.
But the robot has guessed $2.
Okay.
Does it only keep going up and
No, it's not meant to. It should randomly.
It's supposed
It's just
to be
genuinely hitting
Oh, this
small
ship-
numbers.
I would say $4.
Y'all undershot so badly. It's $34.
$34?
Yeah, I'll send
Why?
you. Hold
What?
on. What is this?
What is that?
It's a handbag.
Bag.
Oh, is it a clear handbag?
Oh, it's transparent.
Yeah.
So thieves know exactly what they're gonna take from you when they rob you.
Welcome
It's
to
kinda
Spain.
chic, but it's like chic, but I wouldn't probably do it.
Just because I feel like it's branded, I'm gonna give it something kind of high, like maybe $150.
I'm thinking maybe 75. Okay, the robot guesses $213.
Ooh, it finally went up a level.
So how much was it actually?
$59.95.
Wait, what? What? Oh, we all overshot. It's how long have you guys been on like creepypasta or long enough to be on like the internet to see like scary stories?
Read a few creepypastas for like Pokemon games and shit, like, ooh, I went to Lavender Town and I woke up the next morning and everyone in my family was gone and they were replaced by gang shit like that.
All right, check this out.
Oh lord, is it a? I bet you it's secretly a bong.
You want to smoke out of this thing? Here's the full title: Modern Italian yellow-black Monero glass clown sculpture with bow and green tie. And to give you a little bit
Modern
more extra on its
Italian.
value, the hand-blown body is made precious by the use of 24-karat gold.
That is a nasty clown.
That's the most cursed fucking thing I've ever
That's a
seen. I'm gonna
bong.
say,
He's holding a bong, isn't
I
he?
bet you this is like,
A bong. A bong.
no, I bet you this is secretly very, very expensive.
The more I'm looking at it, the more it actually looks like a fucking bomb.
Oh god, a second angle.
This isn't me zooming in or anything. The image itself is this. Like,
It is
I had to
the
show
bomb?
you what it's holding. I think it has one too many. I think it has extra fingers. No. He has extra
my God.
fingers.
I
What
thought
the
it
fuck?
looks like a
Why?
bong.
That's so
It
disturbing.
does have extra fingers.
Oh, this isn't off the creepypasta. This just reminded me of it, by the way. Basically, long ago, there was an American babysitter. These
Yeah.
parents wanted to go for a date night, so they hired this babysitter to look after their kid. They said, "Oh, you can just look after our child and put them to bed, and you can just watch TV or whatever for the rest of the night, and that's fine." And she goes, "Okay." So that night, she makes pizza for the little kid or something, and then the kid plays around, gets tired. She tucks her into sleep upstairs, and she goes
Yes.
downstairs to watch some TV. And throughout the night, the parents call her and like, "Oh, is everything going okay?" She goes, "Yeah, it's fine. Just put your kid to sleep, and just watching telly. But you know what? Like, I find it so weird and uncomfortable that you have this really creepy clown statue in your living room." And the parents said, "We don't have a clown statue. Take our kid and run." And then she grabs the child and escapes through the building, and the parents rush back home. And apparently, they never owned a clown statue. There were stories that there was a really creepy midget breaking into people's homes. So that was the backstory. Now here's the meme version of it. The parents go, "Take the clown statue and run. We don't have a child." The bot guessed $97.
I guessed 100.
Savage.
Wait, 7?
No, I was saying savage.
Savage indeed. Now how much would you salvage this for?
$80.
It is $894.29.
What the hell? Are you kidding?
That's horrifying.
Money.
The thing is, none of you guys really asked how big this thing was. You just kind of assumed.
How big is it?
Oh, it's actually not that big. Actually, let me double check. the specs say it is a height of 17 centimeters and a width of 12.
Well, behold, my next product.
Oh. You know what? I wouldn't mind getting that. I'm gonna go for something reasonably high. How about $60? My butt wants to pay $853.
What is it?
What's your guess for this wonderful Nezuko body pillow?
I'm gonna say 200.
Y'all overshot.
I feel like
once
a
again.
weeb would pay a lot for like a really nice body.
Like, weebs would, but, like, apparently not any weeb who buys off this store. US $18.99, which is approximately NZ $30.90. Oh god.
Ooh. You know what?
John Wick
I
Funko
have a
Pop.
decent gauge on Funko Pops. I'm gonna guess $30.
45.
The bot says $74.
It is.
So do you guys watch action movies like often?
Sometimes.
Not really.
Well, you know how they always talk about like nuclear weapons and that kind of shit? How much would you like to buy your own radioactive substances on the internet?
Fuck.
You can get your own uranium ore off Amazon. But the actual volume is quite insignificant.
$20.
The robot guessed 714.
That's a lot. I would say $15.
You know what though? Like the thing is, you guys are actually pretty reasonable. But here's the weirdest part. There's been a 1,315 ratings, which means this thing had to have been bought that many times at minimum, and the actual price is $40.
I've had my eye on these for quite a while.
Like to actual buy, or like because you found them online? Just
I don't like to actually buy.
Oh, those are cool.
It looks like it's made of plastic rather than fabric.
Paper.
Yeah, I assume.
Yeah, but like fabric. I don't know how Tanjiro's earrings
do
are
it
still
next.
like in one piece.
I'll
if
say
they're
that
not
your
made of
idea,
fabric.
not
Yeah, like they're
mine.
made of fabric.
If it's plastic, I might lowball it. I'm gonna go for $20. My robot has guessed $9.
I say $13.50.
All right.
Make
What was
a
your
big
best
difference.
guess?
20.
You got the closest.
Oh. No, I went over! Shit!
It's like boy.
Oh, that means I have an advantage, because if you haven't noticed, I too am...
A boy.
I too possess a
Or
penis.
maybe you
I
are
too
a
have
lady
a
boy.
penis. That's for me to find out. No, that's for you to find out. That's for me to know, and for you to find out.
You got there eventually. Okay. Oh, it's a 2001 Nissan Skyline.
Does it say it's new? Pre-owned. You know what? I'm just gonna give it the best possible specs. I'm gonna assume maybe 6K.
6.5.
Even for that here.
You're just one-upping me!
I don't know! Fine, I will one down you then. 5K.
Robot says 1.4K. 120K. Why is it so expensive? It's a Nissan though.
But like, we probably don't understand because we're not car people.
Do you know why it is expensive?
Actually,
Why?
no, why?
Is it because of that reason? It was Paul Walker's car he used in the movies.
Oh.
I feel like that would have been a really important piece of information to have disclosed earlier on.
I've seen 1.5.
Well, not,
No,
not the
2.5.
action car, but it's the car he drove.
2.5 Fast and Furious movies.
Oh, we watched we watched them. I loved them.
Did you like marathon Fast and the Furious?
Oh yeah, and I like the movies as well.
God damn, I do love those
They're
movies.
like good movies. They're like good movies, but the naming convention fucks me over, right? The number one is Fast and Furious. Number two
Too
is
Fast,
Too
Too
Fast, Too
Furious.
Furious. That makes sense. Number 3 is The Fast and the Furious. Hang on, let me okay, so The Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift. And then number 4 goes back to Fast and Furious.
Oh, what?
Number 5 is Fast 5.
Oh, that sounds cool.
Number 6 is Fast and Furious 6. Then we move on to Furious 7.
7.
They no longer need the fast. The need for
They have
speed is
Fast
gone.
8 as well. Oh, the Fate of the Furious is the 8th one.
That was a cool name. Up next is your very own tank, a Russian military tank. If you want to start your own army.
Wow. How do you like think of all the items? Because I can't even think.
I had a week to prepare.
Russian T-54 making.
Did you know there is an anime called Girls with Tanks?
I feel like there's a anime for girls of anything at this point.
Girls with dicks.
Okay.
I have no idea.
I'm gonna go with
How much is a
40,000
tank? Russian tank?
dollars.
$200,000. $200,000, like $200,000.
200k. Okay. Our robot said 14k. The actual price of this tank, actually, the website I'm on, it gives it in pounds, but the equivalent would be, it's 1900k.
Ooh. What keeps you up at night?
What keeps me up at night is my code. If it doesn't run, I stay up really late until it does work.
Welcome to being a web designer.
Oh, bad robot. Bad.
Behold, another thing that's been on my list for a while.
Oh, shit!
Ooh, just get hit. That's what you wanted to cosplay.
What, for real? You'd be so warm. Look how much
He
fur
wants
is on
to find
it.
the head to wear it. Yeah, it looks
does.
good.
It does. Like this.
Is it
looks
on
almost
eBay?
like-
I'm gonna go 500. No.
this
Yeah,
is on
500.
Amazon,
Five.
guys.
Yes. No, 500.
I'm gonna say 50.
Oh, okay. I feel like I'm way too high then. I'm gonna lower my price down to 150.
Okay, robot. What do you think?
Robot says
Tinky
66.
60 cents.
66.
Oh,
66.
No. It is. Behold, it is 27.50.
Oh, we all
my
fucked up.
Oh fuck!
That's affordable.
That's so cheap.
But no, but it only has a 1-star rating. Garbage. I knew it was going to be layers of fur fabric, but geez, the lay job was awful. Whatever glue was used obviously doesn't work. The fur is coming off and I just opened it. This much for a crappy mask is not worth it.
That's
At this point,
quite unfortunate.
like for a prop like that, it's much more like it's honestly much more reliable to just do the thing yourself.
Okay. I don't this might be my last.
Ooh, okay. Mel's product of choice is a chocolate drip cake with Maltesers, Kit Kat, and Oreos.
Oh my god, that is tasty.
It looks yummy.
It looks like one of those Instagram cakes. I'm gonna give it a ridiculous price. I'm thinking $200 for this one cake.
Oh yeah?
You know how many family meals that is? That's like 5 family meals. You can feed 5 families with that cake.
Alright, I'll double that. 400.
What the fuck? Oh, damn, this girl. She's not pulling any punches. And the robot says 56.
Oh? $60?
What? Wait, what did I guess?
Bro.
You said 200.
No! The robot got it! No! What the fuck? Oh my goodness. You know what? Yeah, good job. Today's game has ended with a very close win. In third place is Computer at 2 points. And in first place is Tanjiro! Congratulations. Good job.
My prize should somebody kills Muzan for me instead of me doing it myself.
So did the Hawthorne effect actually work and did I become more productive?